Maintenance. The final key to getting good footing. One of the other analogies I like to use is if you go out and buy a Grand Prix horse, you don't stick him in his stall and then pull him out right before the horse show, but he gets worked and conditioned every day. Your arena needs the same type of maintenance every day. Watering. Again, water is very important. There's several ways we can get water, either natural rainfall, sprinklers, water trucks or water wagons, or with an ebb and flow arena. Grooming. Why is it important to groom? Remember how we talked about the sand particle gradation. We need to keep that gradation mixed. The smaller pieces sink and push larger pieces up, which can build up false spaces and then a loose top surface. There are all types of equipment. Be sure you are using one designed for your specific surface and footing.